Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show how to make an audio call on Telegram using the latest update. It's quick, simple, and works on both Android and iPhone. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your chats and contacts without any issues. Once you're inside the app, go to the chat of the person you want to call. You can either scroll through your recent conversations or use the search bar at the top to find them faster. Just tap on their name to open the conversation. Now, look at the top right corner of the chat screen. You'll see a phone icon there. This is the audio call button. Tap on that icon to start your call instantly. As soon as you tap it, Telegram will begin connecting the call. Within a few seconds, you should be able to hear the other person as long as they pick up. The app uses your internet connection, so make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection for the best call quality. During the call, you'll also see a few options on your screen, like muting your microphone, switching to speaker, or ending the call. You can control everything directly from that interface. And that's it. Making an audio call on Telegram is that easy. It's a great way to stay connected with friends, family, or even colleagues without using your regular phone minutes. If you found this helpful, don't forget to check out more quick Telegram tips and tutorials to get the most out of the app.